if you get this error message in War Thunder, which shows a connection error with a message failed you to load player profile. Now listen to this tutorial very carefully. In most cases, you'll get this when the servers are down, as they normally announce on their website, as you can see, unplanned technical maintenance. As you can see here, the game may not be available at the moment, as we are experiencing some technical issues on our servers. We are endeavoring to fix these issues as quickly as possible. So if there are server maintenance, you'll be getting these errors a lot. You can try to restart your device and the router, but in most cases, you don't need to do anything. Just wait until the servers are restored. If you go to the Down Detector website, you can see in the last 24 hours, there are some outages reported here in the last 24 hours. So that shows that servers were down, and yes, you need to wait until the servers are restored. So even if you go to other forums, you can see a lot of people were facing this issue. As you can see here on the forums and Reddit, you can see a lot of people are complaining regarding this problem. So what you need to do, just wait for a few hours until the issue is restored.